What's up guys, welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to teach you how to use Canva mobile app to design a cool decent graphic tools. So if you are new into graphics design, Canva is a very helpful tips that could help you to build or develop into a professional within few days. So you are going to Play Store, then just search Canva app if you don't have it on phone before. Canva, so click on it, then install. In the case of mine, I have it on phone before. I just go back to open my Canva app. So here is Canva. So you can design a graphics of your choice within few minutes. So Canva have thousands of free templates that you can use while designing. Here then you can see Instagram posts. They have a lot of free graphics that you can use as templates. That's for Instagram posts. You can design flyers. They have a lot of free templates for that as well. Posters. You can design social media pictures to market certain things. You can make a lot of cool design under some minutes, then book cover here. So all these skills are skills that fetch money when you get clients for it. So after this tutorial, you'll be able to use Canva for some certain design and make you some cool cash. Okay. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to introduce to you everything that Canva can do. So I'll be uploading video on this channel to give you more knowledge of Canva and how to use them for professional design. So another thing you can do with Canva is designing phone wallpaper, logos. So you know how much you can earn designing logos outside for clients. So if you are able to market this skill, for you, 100% sure this is money making skills that can earn you some chicken change and a stepping stone to make another process in learning big thing that could earn you cool cash. So let's get started. Once you download Canva app, you'll be asked to sign up using Gmail. So I am going to use one of the templates here for the purpose of this tutorial. Okay. Alright, let's use this. Alright, thanks for staying tongues. So here we are. I'm going to introduce you to a series of tools we have here on Canva. Now we have the text here. We can change the text. Canva design. So into introduction, course for beginners. So all you need is to add your creativities. So right here, I'm going to change this image. So you can just do that by clicking on this image. You see that the image has been highlighting. then you can replace it here. So I already have image uploaded on this my account before, so I'm going to use one of the image I've uploaded here before. Okay, so you can just redress everything you want to redress. You can double tap on the image to edit the side you want to appear within the frame. In the next tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to bring in your new frame, your new design. So here we are using templates. Next tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to start your design from scratch. So after this, here I've brought in my image. I just want to send this back because I don't like it like this. So I have clicked on it like this. I'm going to search for positioning here. So you see, as I click here, then I want to move it backward, so I'll click it. It has gone backward. So if I want to move it forward again, I'll do it like this. So for this tutorial, I don't really like this, so I'm going to delete it. Then I'll be adding new elements. So Canva design introduction course for beginner. Let me check. So you can do that using your mobile phone. Then I prefer having something like mobile. Okay, apply now. Alright, so thanks for staying tuned for this tutorial. This is an introduction course on how to use Canva. Thank you. So to learn more on on how to apply our Canva, please check the next video.